USA, USA, USA. USA, USA, USA. USA, USA, and all USA citizens, residents, all supporters USA, all from United States, friends and well-wishers, all other countries that support USA, their family, generation, ancestors, all that support USA and agree with the United States. First of all, USA like world power forever, generation to come, and all that agree with them and support them all come together. We skyrocket. USA, USA, USA. Okuku Calabash Energies, Okuku Calabash Energies, and Akaotule, of power, authorities, manifestation, Ikpualu, 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 to cleanse and wipe out all sins, all USA sin and evil and all uncleanliness, and all their supporters, supporters in our abroad and in their country, and all their base, and all the countries that support them, support USA and agree with them, all their sin and evil and uncleanliness done in the past, in the present, in the future, because no one is perfect. In the future, and all reincarnated sin and all uncleanliness or anybody cast against them like gospel in their foundation science and technologies, to cleanse and wipe all out, 24/7 unlimited. That means continue running automatic, unlimited, from Monday to Sunday, unstoppable, unlimited. Continue to cleanse, to cleanse and wipe all sin, evil, and all uncleanliness out. I use male cow, female cow, roosters, hens, rams. You can get mother goat, all 33, 22, 33 color nuts, burning incense, burning insage, autopsy, magic wand, drink, beer, wine, water, cigarette, weed, all that goes into the body that are good. I use them, all sin and their evil, uncleanliness. I use them, cleanse them out on Chuku justices, Ajana Chuku justices, Akodi, Akobala, Ajana Uku, Ajana Nta, higher and lower justices, Ajana Nure justices, Ajana Owa, worldwide justices, Ajana Ezioku, truth justices, Ajana Umaka, little children, teen justices, Ajana Isia Banya, dreadlock hair justices, Ajana Njika Di na Nwunye, justices that join male and female, like husband and wife, dating and in a relationship, all Ajanowa, worldwide justices, Supreme Court justices worldwide, and Supreme Court USA. I use them, cleanse and wipe all out there. I wipe them out, I cleanse, wipe all out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and free all. I say all USA, USA, all from USA, USA, past, present, future sin, reincarnators, all uncleanliness, anybody intruder brought into your foundation, and all uncleanness and sin and evil, all your supporters, countries that support you, that agree with you, families, their family, generation, ancestors, I cleanse, wipe all out, all the sin and evil out. I say, be free in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayer and USA, all and all our supporters, skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbits. Stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace, into all USA foundations, into their Senate, House of Reps, state, all their state, and all their foundation, LA County, and all their foundation, hospitals, all USA foundation, transfer to them and cleanse their evil sin, all their mistakes and all their faults, and cleanse, wipe all out. Transfer to all justices USA, and transfer to Supreme Court USA. Transfer to White House, transfer to all. We use water, boil eggs, drink, soda, water, soda, beer, wine, cigarette, weed, for those that smoke, fruits, food. Use prayer to welcome their energies, their power, authorities, manifestation. 247 unlimited automatic cleanse and wipe out all sin and evil. 247 and wipe out all iniquity, and stand firm and make all stay out of trouble. So Maribi, he say, it's me, Sanko and Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA, and in Carson. So Maribi, he say, USA, and all prayer, we skyrocket again. USA. USA. Come together. We skyrocket. All USA forces come together. All prayers, all USA, all from USA. President Biden, Kamala Harris, all their Senate, all their reps, all their governors, all their states come together. We skyrocket again. Ine-egbu gbube mụ na mmanwụ m oyi, ọja welele. Ine-egbu gbube mụ na mmanwụ m oyi, ọja welele egwu m oyi, ọja welele ka m ji eje, ọja welele egwu m oyi, ọja welele ka m ji ana, ọja welele o. USA. Egwu m ejebe USA, nyajebe oy. Sanko n'Igbo moy, o Sanko n'Igbo moy. Oh Sanko need it too much. Oh Sanko need egwu. Oh Sanko, I love you past Maradona. Oh Sanko, I love you past Bebeto. Oh Sanko need it too much. Oh Sanko need egwu. Oh Sanko, everybody Jared. Everybody Jared, USA Jared, President Biden Jared, Kamala Harris Jared, Samba, holy water samba, holy water samba, holy water samba, holy water samba, USA. Oh,